Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having an awesome week as always. So I haven't done a vlog in a while and I decided today would be a good time to pull out my camera and film one. This is going to be a what I eat in a day video because I've been meaning to do this and I haven't done it. And I figured today was a good realistic day to do it. I'm not going to prep anything out. I'm not going to be super healthy or go out of my way to make healthy recipes just for this video. I'm going to show you a true day of what I eat. I'm waiting for my friend to arrive because we are going to breakfast. So I'm going to take you guys in, show you what I order. And I do try to be healthy, but I'm definitely not perfect. I don't go out of my way to cut my portions or starve myself or whatever, you know. I just try to be healthy with every meal, but I definitely don't hate myself if I indulge. I'm gonna go on in and I'll see you guys in a little bit. For my breakfast, got steak, eggs Benedict, black coffee. My friend got a healthy omelet, and she's so cute. It is time for a snack, and this is probably what people would eat for breakfast or lunch, but for some reason I've been eating so much lately, so I'm having a pretty big snack. So this is not the prettiest thing in the world, but it's delicious. This is chia seed pudding that I made myself. Take about 1/4 cup of chia seeds, almond milk, and some stevia, and I let it sit in my fridge in a container overnight. Then in the morning I microwave it for about a minute and a half. Then I just put a very generous amount of strawberries, a whole banana, and a tablespoon of almond butter. Eat this while I edit some videos, but just wanted to show it to you guys. A little bit of an update. I'm being really naughty today. I just filmed a video that I posted last Sunday, which is what you just saw about my whole Accutane thing. But I am being bad, and while I edit eating Halo Top Red Velvet, this is so good and probably terrible for you, but whatever, it's been a day and I want it. And you know what? Since this is a realistic video, this is realistically I've been eating lately, so oh well. It's dinner time and I'm just gonna have this avocado toast that you guys saw me make. It looks disgusting, but it's super good. So I'm gonna quickly eat this and then go see Avengers with my friends. I like to eat before I go out and do something so I don't overeat or get too many snacks at the movie or something like that. But I just want to say thank you guys for watching. If you want more what I eat in a days, let me know by giving me a thumbs up. Let me know by giving me a thumbs up and commenting below what you want to see next, and I'll see you next time.